If you run serious businesses online, you will agree with me that every now and then you will always need to create multiple accounts on different online platforms. The problem is that all of these platforms will always ban your account when they detect that you run more than one account using their high-tech detecting tools. That is why you will always need a good anti-detect browser so that you can securely create as many accounts as you want over any online platforms at all. And still, you will be able to do your multi-login and manage all of these accounts from one spot. And that is why I'm recommending the BitBrowser anti-detect tool and how to use this multi-login browser from setting it up to operating it is what I'm about to show you in this video. I've made multiple multi-login reviews online, and I think you should consider BitBrowser if you're looking for a tool that will meet your need in this regard. If you're ready, then let me show you how to get BitBrowser, how to set it up, and how to create multiple accounts on any online platforms without getting detected. Let's get to it. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to just go to the link below this video and you want to click on that link and it's going to bring you to this particular page. When you get here, you can either click the sign up button or you click the try out now. It's going to lead you to the same place. So I'm going to click on the sign up, and then what you want to do here is that you either want to sign up with your email address or your phone number. Any of them will do. So I'm going to be using my email address here. What I want to do here is to input a username that I so wish. So I'm going to do that. And then here is going to request for a password. You want to make sure you use a strong password and one that you can easily save somewhere so that you don't get to lose it. And then you want to come here again and you want to re-enter the password, and here you want to input your preferred email address. And once you've done that, you want to come to this get code here. You're going to click on that and a 6-digit code is going to be sent to your email address. But before you do that, I want to come in here and just fill in this puzzle, and then I'm going to go check my email inbox for this 6-digit code, and then I'll come in here and paste it. And once I've done that, I will just leave this the way it is and I'm going to click sign up here. But before we continue, you can also see that you can actually sign up here directly with your Google account or your Facebook account. Okay, so those are other options, and then you want to make sure that you click the agreement box here, and then you're going to click on the sign up button. Okay, so this registration succeeded. Do you want to download the software client now? Okay, you will need to click on download, and this software is going to be downloaded into your computer. I'm going to wait for that to happen. Okay, so it's going to bring you to this page. You want to scroll down and you want to choose your machine that you are making this operation on. I am using the Windows 64 bits. Okay, so if you click here, you can always make your choice. You want to go ahead and choose the one that describes your system. So I'm going to click on download. Once again, it will require that I fill or solve this puzzle. I'm going to do just that, and then once I do, the download process is going to start. So I'm going to wait. So as you can see, the download process has begun as a zip file here. So let's just wait a bit for this download to be complete. Okay, so once the download is complete, what you want to do is to go to your computer and check where the download is saved. Okay, so mine is always saved in my download tab. So I'm just going to come here and then I'm going to unzip this file. And once I do that, I'm going to open it up, and then what I want to do here is to install this particular software on my computer. So I'll go ahead and do that. So I'll just double click on that. Okay, so once this is complete, I'll just click on the finish option here. And once I do, I'll go ahead and then I'm going to launch this browser. So for me to launch this browser, all I need to do is to come in here, and then I want to double click on this. All right, so what I want to do now is to sign up here. So you can see here, if you don't have an account, sign up. Okay, so I'm just going to click on sign up here, and then I'm going to come here, and then I'm going to click on sign up. So what you want to do here is to input your username, your preferred password. You want to enter your password again, you want to enter your email address, and then a code is going to be sent to that email address. You want to go to your email inbox, you want to copy the code, you want to paste it in here. Of course, for that code to be generated, you need to click on the get code after you have filled your email address, and that code is going to be sent to you. And then here, you're just going to leave every other thing the way they are, and then you're going to click on the sign up button. All right, so once you are done signing up, then it's going to bring you to the login page, as you can see here. And all you need to do is just to type in your username and your password that you used in signing up a while ago. And once you do that, you want to just come to the login button here. You want to click on that, and it's going to log you right into your BitBrowser dashboard. All right, so this is what your BitBrowser dashboard looks like. Okay, so once you log in, and it brings you up to your BitBrowser account dashboard, as you can see here, the next thing you want to do is to come to this browser profile and click on it. And once you do, you want to come to this add button here. You want to click on that, and it's going to open up this tab for you. So here you want to fill in the descriptive name of the account you're trying to create. So for example, I love to have different Facebook accounts so that I can run maybe ads on different Facebook platforms, just in case I want to switch between one Facebook account to another, so that I can access that possibility. So I can decide to call this Facebook campaign. Feel free to call it anything you want. Now for tags, it is not compulsory, but if I like, I can add tags. Okay, now for groups here, because I'll be creating, of course, multiple accounts, that is the whole idea, I can decide to group this account into groups so that I can easily manage my account. So for this, I can just decide to call it FB1, okay, or let's say FB ads. Okay, if I like, I can just do that. Now for platform, if you click on the drop down arrow, you can see here that you have several platforms that are registered on this particular BitBrowser tool. Now if for any reason you want to create account with a platform and the platform is not already on this list, you can just come to this custom platform here, you click on that, and then you go ahead and paste the URL of the account or of the platform that you're trying to create your account on. But for me, it is Facebook, and Facebook is already on my list, so I'll just come to Facebook and choose facebook.com. okay, all right. For username and password, you can set up a username and a password, but it is also not compulsory. And then for this, I'm just going to leave it the way they are, and I will go ahead and click on confirm. Okay, so once I do, you can see now that it has been confirmed, and now I have this Facebook here. So what I want to do right now is to test if this is working. So I'll go ahead and click on open here, and we're going to see what is going to happen here. So let's wait for this browser to open up. All right, so you see what we have here. Okay, so you want to take note of some of this information, but if I come here to Facebook, I can just go ahead and create a new account for Facebook and start running it without Facebook exactly knowing if I am running a multiple account. And of course, if I want to open a new one, or if I want to create another Facebook account, all I need to do is just to go through the same process again, and I can create as many Facebook accounts or as many other accounts that I want to create, and then I can run them all within this dashboard without being detected by these platforms that I'm running multiple accounts as an individual. So that is the beauty of the BitBrowser, and that's what you want to do if you want to be able to run multiple accounts on those platforms without being detected. So go ahead, create your account, and if you have any question for me, you can always let me know in the comment section. I'll do my best to give you answers. Please like this video and help me share it so that more persons that need this kind of information can get to see it. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.